I bought a bunch of camera kit based on YouTube recommendations. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's attack this. I fear this is going to be better than Christmas this year. The lens support. Alright, I think I know what this one is. I've been due a tripod upgrade for a sec. Yeah, look at this bad boy. Bosh. Gonna be a lot of figuring stuff out with this new kit. An adapter cable, got an SD card reader, and this is the Hawk lock cage. Yeah. Hey, this is nice. That is a nice boulder. You know, like a toddler that knows there's something Pokemon in there. Tilter box. This base plate looks dope, I'm not gonna lie. So it comes in this little padded box. That is nuts. Okay, losing things. So this is the battery mount for the back. This is actually happening, like, I'm building an FX3 rig today that I own. Oh, nice. Little variable ND filter. Bosh. There she is. Yeah, nice. Wrapper. Boom. I hate ruining boxes. Let there be light. Look at this case. It's like a PSP. Is that the little open? No? Open. He doesn't. Okay, you just fold those in. I've slowly leveled my kit up over years and years now. So to get all of this at once, oh my god, look at the cables. How nice the cables are. Oh my days. Another box, another box, another box, another box, another box. Memory cards. Tiniest little boxes. Just a quick cool 300 quid. Couple batteries. Couple more standard Sony batteries. Need them so I can stop using these fake ones that keep dying on me. The big boy. This, I'm so excited about this. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my days. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The little pouch. Yeah. Yeah. I don't even know how to work it. There's so many flaps and buttons and what? Yeah. Again, opening this like a toddler at Christmas, but this is the last one. This is the last box. It's the most important one. Oi. Oh my. There she is. Oh, this is mine. The way that pops at the side, you have to like pop it. Oh. Let's go. Oh. It's Christmas, people. It really is Christmas. Wow. Let's get this rig built.